Students, in this lecture, we will continue our exercise 3B problems. So from Roman 2. And so already we have seen some of the problems from Roman 2 also. So now we will see or we will solve the leftover problems of Roman 2. So the first problem in Roman 2, that is find the domains of the following real valued functions. So in that a function that is log of x square minus 4x plus 3. So you know the domain of logarithmic function, right? If it is in the form of log x, then x compulsory greater than 0, but here instead of x square minus 4x plus 3 is there. So here so we need to take the condition that is to find the domain of this is means the logarithm is defined whenever this expression is positive. X square minus 4x plus 3 is compulsory greater than 0. Now so you need to factorize these two things, right? So this is so the quotient of x square is 1, so 1 into 3, that is 3. Now so we can express this minus 4 as minus 3 minus 1. So here it is x square minus 3x minus x plus 3, so which is greater than 0. Means here I am expressing this as in the is in the form of x minus alpha and x minus beta. Like here x is common, then x minus 3 and here minus 1 is common, then it is x minus 3 which is greater than 0. Now so here finally we can express it as x minus 1 into x minus 3. Now you can compare with x minus alpha into x minus beta is greater than 0. So x minus alpha into x minus beta is greater than 0, and when alpha is less than beta, then so you can express the solution as x is less than alpha or x is greater than beta, right? So here alpha is 1 and beta is 3, therefore x is less than 1 or x is greater than 3. x అనేది 1 కంటే తక్కువ ఉన్నప్పుడు పాజిటివ్ అవుతుంది, 3 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉన్నా కానీ పాజిటివ్ అవుతుంది. సో 1 కంటే తక్కువ అంటే ఏమవుతుంది? సో నెగిటివ్ వాల్యూస్ అన్నీ వచ్చేస్తాయి, మైనస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ టు బిఫోర్ 1, సిన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ స్ట్రిక్ట్లీ లెస్ దెన్ ఇస్ దేర్. అండ్ సో వాట్ డస్ ఇట్ మీన్? x is more than 3 means the value of x is after 3, any decimal number after 3. Now so that we can write this as we can generalize the domain for this, that is domain minus infinity to 1, or means so combine this union 3 to infinity, or simply we can express this as, or so we can write this domain as all real numbers except 1 to 3 also. So both are same. ఇదేంటి మైనస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ నుండి 1 వరకు అండ్ 3 టు ఇన్ఫినిటీ, అంటే మనకు మిడిల్లో మిస్ అనేవి 1 to 3నే కదా. సో దట్ సో వీ కెన్ రైట్ దిస్ ఇంటర్వెల్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ 1 to 3 ఆల్సో, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ number 4, that is f of x is equals to 1 divided by cube root of x minus 2 into logarithm of 10 to the base 4 minus x. సో దీని డొమైన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే మనకి లాగరిథమిక్ రూల్స్ అండ్ ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ రూల్స్ కూడా స్క్వేర్ రూట్ రూల్స్ తెలిసి ఉండాలి. సో హియర్ బోత్ లాగరిథమ్ అండ్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ద డినామినేటర్. సో ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ ఈస్ దిస్ ఈజ్ నెవర్ బి 0, ఇది 0 కాకూడదు. 0 కావద్దంటే ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ కాన్స్టెంట్ కాబట్టి 0 అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. నా సో దేర్ ఫోర్ x minus 2 మాత్రమే 0 కావద్దు. సో x minus 2 ఈజ్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 తీసుకోండి. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ ఇట్ ఈస్, సో హియర్ లాగ్ ఆఫ్ హియర్ బేస్ ఈజ్ వేరియబుల్. బేస్కి రూల్స్ ఏంటి? సో వినో లాగ్ ఎక్స్ బేస్ ఏ, లాగ్ ఎక్స్ బేస్ ఏ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం కమ్మా? సో ఏ ఈజ్ ఎనీ పాజిటివ్ రియల్ నెంబర్ అదర్ దెన్ 1 అని తెలుసు, అదర్ దెన్ 1. So that so you need to write the restriction instead of a, here 4 minus x is there, so we can write it as 4 minus x is compulsory greater than 0, and ఇంకేం కావద్దు, బేస్ అనేది 1 కావద్దు. సో 4 minus x is not equals to 1. డెఫినేషన్ నేర్చుకున్నాం. log x a base a, that is defined for all positive real numbers where the base a is any positive real number other than 1 అదే కండిషన్ ఇక్కడ రాసేసాను. Now so x minus 2 is not equal to 0 means x is not equals to 2, right? And here it is 4 is greater than x and 4 minus 1 is not equals to x. Now this implies x is not equals to 2 and x is less than 4 and x is not equals to 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So this. So ఇక్కడ ఏంటమ్మా 2 3 కాకుండా మిగతా ఏం కావచ్చుట ఆల్ రియల్ నెంబర్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ లెస్ దెన్ 4 అంటున్నాడు. సో మైనస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ నుండి 4 వరకు బిఫోర్ 4 అందులో 2 3లు మళ్ళీ ఉండదు. ఓకే నా సో హియర్ సో దట్ ద డొమైన్ ఫర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ domain that can be expressed as minus infinity to before 4 except 2 comma 3. 2 3 ఉంటే ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది. సో 1/0 అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ అక్కడ. సో దట్ సో యూ నీడ్ టు ఎక్స్క్లూడ్ దీస్ 2 numbers from the domain set. Now see problem number 5. F of x equals to square root of 4 minus x square by so step x plus 2 is there. See here first of all it is in the form of root f of x, right? Root f of x, but f of x is a rational function. So rational means that has a numerator and denominator. Now so first you need to check with rules of square root. If square root of something, then something should be greater than or equal to 0, right? Now so you need to think when it is positive, then so this expression is positive when numerator and denominator is positive, right? And so one more case, that is numerator and denominator are negative. Both positive అయినా పాజిటివ్ అవుతుంది, both నెగిటివ్ అయినా నెగిటివ్ అవుతుంది. సో దట్ యూ నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ సొల్యూషన్స్ ఇన్ 2 cases. సో బోత్ ఆర్ పాజిటివ్ అండ్ బోత్ ఆర్ నెగిటివ్. సో we may get some values for x. If you see only positive is nothing but so f of x g of x పాజిటివ్ అయినంత మాత్రం అది పాజిటివ్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ లేదు కదా. నెక్స్ట్ f of x by g of x నెగిటివ్ అయినా కానీ f of x g of x both నెగిటివ్ అయినా ఎంటైర్ క్వాంటిటీ ఈజ్ పాజిటివ్. సో దట్ సో యూ నీడ్ టు కన్సిడర్ case 1 and case 2. సో here what is case 1? So case 1 is so 4 minus x square is positive and step x plus 2 is positive. Next in case 2, so let us take case 1 and case 2. So in the case 1, so you need to take numerator is greater than 0 and step x plus 2 is greater than 0. And see root of f of x is f of x should be greater than or equal to 0 అంటున్నాను. బట్ ఇక్కడ greater than or equal to 0 ఇక్కడ ఇంక్లూడ్ అయిందా? నా సో న్యూమరేటర్ 0 అయినా ప్రాబ్లం లేదు కదా. So there is no issue with the numerator 0. So 0 by something is always 0. So that you need to include that 0. So here. So 4 minus x square is greater than or equal to 0 and step x plus 2 is greater than 0. Now so solve for x by using these 2 in equations. Now so this implies so 4 minus x square can be written as 2 minus x into 2 plus x, since 4 is nothing but 2 square. Now so here it is 2 plus x which is greater than or equal to 0 and here we can write it as step x is greater than minus 2 and so here so this cannot be in the form of x minus alpha and x minus beta. So let us take minus is common from this expression. So this is minus of x minus 2 into here it is x plus 2 which is greater than or equal to 0. And see here you can observe next logic. So it is step x is greater than minus 2 and so multiply on both sides with a negative sign, therefore the inequality is reverse, right? So here it is x minus 2 into x plus 2 is less than or equal to 0 and so this is greater than minus 2 and so we can express this as x plus 2. So here you need to take alpha and beta. So this is plus 2 is there, so we can express it as minus of minus 2. So this is minus of minus 2 into x minus 2 is less than or equal to 0. Now it is x minus alpha into x minus beta is less than or equal to 0 and so here it is box x is greater than minus 2. So what are the possible values for this step which are more than minus 2? more than minus 2, so the less value. So if it starts with a minus 2, then the step of minus minus less than, so maybe it is a minus 1, right? Means step x is greater than minus 2, means after minus 2 means minus 1.99 it starts. So box of minus 1.99 is nothing but minus 1 only, so the minimum value, that is minus 1. So here the box x or the possible values are starts with minus 1, including minus 1, because it is more than minus 2. More than minus 2 means minus 1.99. So box of minus 1.99 something is always minus 1 only. So and end with unknown positive value. And here it is x minus alpha and x minus beta is less than or equal 0. So therefore it is x is belongs to minus 2 to plus 2. Right? So we have a formula for this. And x is belongs to minus 1 to infinity. Now, so here in between these two relations or these two solution, and is there. And means the common values. So common solution from this. So that so let us consider a real line. Consider a real line. So with origin 0. Now the known numbers in this these intervals are minus 2, 2 and minus 1. So identify those values. So it is minus 1 and minus 2. Here it is let it be 1, and so this will be 2. Now so identify these two intervals on the real line. Now so the first thing is, it is the first thing minus 2 to plus 2 means it is minus 2 plus 2. So identify the values, means on the real line this indicates the values from minus 2 to plus 2. Next, second is minus 1 to infinity. So where that minus 1, here it is minus 1 to infinity. So identify all those values. Now so from this figure, so you can observe the common values from both the intervals. See here there are some clashes will be there from minus 1 to 2. So therefore the solution for this is, the common values in between these two is x is belongs to minus 1 to 2. So let it be, this is 1. Solution 1. So దీంతో solution అయిపోలేదు కదా, ఇంకా case 2 లో కూడా exist అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. Now so solve for case 2. So the case 2 is, here in the case 1 both are positive, in case 2 both are negative తీసుకుంటున్నాం. So that means 4 minus x square is less than 0, less than or equal 0 also, no problem, since it is a numerator. So 0 by something is always 0. Now and so this step x plus 2 is less than 0. So 4 minus x square is less than or equal 0. That can be written as 2 minus x into 2 plus x is less than or equal to 0. And so this step x is less than minus 2. So this is, now see already we know here, so if minus is common, then we can write it as minus of x plus 2 into x minus 2 is greater than less than or equal to 0. And it is mod box x or step x is less than minus 2. Now this implies, so if you multiply on both sides with a negative sign, therefore there is a change in the inequality, that is c plus 2 is a minus of minus 2 into x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0 here. So step x is less than minus 2. If possible you can write the solution here also, no problem. Now so here it is x minus alpha and x minus beta is greater than or equal to 0 form. Now so you can find the solution, right? X is less than or equal to minus alpha and x is greater than or equals to beta form. So here x is belongs to minus infinity to minus 2. Here r symbol, right? R is that indicates union. So then this is 2 to infinity. This expression can be written as like this. Now here what are the possible values for this? So here mod x is less than minus 2, less than minus 2, minus 2 ki takku untundamma. So it is next level is in between those two, then that means between those two numbers means minus 3, right? So the possible value is minus 3, means minus 2.1 is also minus 3, minus 2.1 or 2.2 or anything that leads to so minus 3 only. So then the possible values for this is the minus 3 కావాలంటే దీనికంటే less than values ఉండాలి. So that x is compulsory belongs to minus infinity to, then it is before minus 2 only, before minus 2. Now so by using these two solutions, see here the set of values from minus infinity to minus 2 and the union 2 to infinity. Here the common values you need to identify by using these two relations. So better take a real line. On this real line, identify the known values from these two intervals. Now the known values are minus 2, 2, that's it. So this is minus 2 and plus 2, minus infinity and plus infinity. Now identify the values. So first interval is, this entire interval is nothing but the first one. So here the interval that contains minus infinity to minus 2 union 2 to infinity. So this is minus infinity to minus 2, this one, and one more part is there, that is 2 to infinity also. So identify these values. Next, second is what? Minus infinity to minus 2. Minus infinity means negative value, minus infinity to minus 2. Here so this is open interval, right? Minus infinity to minus 2. So identify those values. Therefore here the common values are from minus infinity to before minus 2 only. In this it is closed interval, here it is open interval, so the common thing is open only, right? So here x is belongs to minus infinity to open minus 2. So let it be, this is solution 2. Now so here you can observe the solution. See here we need to find the solution for this, input values for this, right? So maybe this case or this case. So there are two possible cases will be exist. So that you need to combine these two solutions. So from equation 1, the solution 1 and solution 2, the domain of the given function f of x is minus infinity to minus 2 union this one, minus 1 to 2. So this is the domain for the given problem. If you have any doubt over here or here, so just check with an example. So why I am writing this x is belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 and here x is belongs to minus 1 to infinity. Okay, by checking by using the definition of this step, then I am writing this. So just check with an example, so you will get it. Why I am writing so this solution for this inequality, but the final solution is this one. So next, sixth problem, f of x is equals to square root of logarithm of x minus x square to the base 0.3. Now here what are the functions which are involved here? Square root function and logarithmic function. So you know the rules for logarithms and square root. So first come with the outer function, that is square. So inside the square is something is there, so something should be always greater than or equal to 0. So first of all the square root will be exist whenever the inner function is greater than or equal to 0. Compulsory is greater than or equal to 0 కావాలి. Okay, ఇంకా మళ్ళీ లాగర్థంకి వెళ్ళిపోండి. Now so inside the function that is logarithm, so here log of x model, so here x is compulsory greater than or equal to 0, but instead of x minus x square is there. So that means x minus x square is greater than 0. So by using these two conditions, so we'll get the input values for this f of x, right? Now so solve for this. Now so to remove this logarithmic function, just you need to apply the exponential on both sides with the base 0.3, right? Now so this is 0.3 to the power of log of x minus x square base 0.3, and so this is 0.3 whole to the power of 0 right hand side. And so whenever we apply the exponential on both sides for inequality, if the base is less than 1, means between 0 and 1 there is a change in the inequality. So observe when the inequality changes. So there are two cases. ఇంతకుముందు ఒక కేసు వచ్చింది, ఇప్పుడు ఒక కేసు వచ్చింది. ఏంటది? Whenever the inequality is multiplied with a negative sign, there is a change. Here applying an exponential on both sides. So with less than 1, the base is less than 1. 1 కంటే ఎక్కువ అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీ ఏం చేంజ్ ఉండదు, ఓన్లీ 1 కంటే తక్కువ ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. So now also it is in the form of a power log x to the base a, means it is x only. So this is x minus x square. There is an identity. Now also which is less than or equal to, so 0.3 all to the power of 0 means it is 1. Now so this implies x minus x square is less than or equals to 1. So here you can transpose these two things to right hand side. Therefore it is x square minus x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. And similarly you can simplify this. X minus x square is greater than 0. So here it is x into 1 minus x is greater than 0, right? And x into 1 minus x. So this can be written as minus of x into x minus 1 is greater than 0. Now multiplying on both sides with a negative sign, therefore it is positive x into x minus 1 which is less than 0. నెగిటివ్తో మల్టిప్లై చేసినాను, అప్పుడు ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. రెండు ఇక్కడ వచ్చి చూడండి, నెగిటివ్తో మల్టిప్లై చేసినప్పుడు ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది, అండ్ ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ అప్లై చేసినప్పుడు కూడా చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. బట్ ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ అప్లై చేసినప్పుడు ఏం కావాలా, ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ బేస్ ఈజ్ లెస్ దెన్ 1 ఆర్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ 0 and 1 only. Now so x square minus x plus 1 is greater than or equal 0. Now find the solution for this. So if you take any value of x, then it is always positive only. This is possible. So directly you can observe here x is any real number, there is no problem. X is any real number, this is always positive only. If you take x is minus 2, therefore it is 4 minus 2 or minus of minus 2, it is plus. పాజిటివ్ తీసుకున్నా నెగిటివ్ తీసుకున్నా అక్కడ స్క్వేర్ టర్మ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి కంపల్సరీ ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. సో దిస్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఈజ్ నెవర్ బి నెగిటివ్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ positive for any real number. And here it is x into x minus 1 less than 0. So this is not in the form of x minus alpha into x minus beta, but we can convert this into x minus alpha into x minus beta. So this is x minus 0 into x minus 1 is less than 0. Now it is x minus alpha into x minus beta. Now x minus alpha into x minus beta less than 0 means x is belongs to open interval 0 to 1. Now so we have x is belongs to R and x is belongs to 0 comma 1. Therefore the domain is the common values of these two. So the domain is all real numbers intersection open interval 0 to 1. Now so what is the intersection? This is always less value, so compulsory common values event. If you have any doubt so you can take. Now so this is our real line. So this is R is nothing but minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, so these are all the values on the real line as usual. But so you need to identify only 0 to 1. So for example this is 0 and 1 అనుకోండి. Now so this is our open interval. Now so these are the clashes. So open interval 0 to 1. The domain for this is 0 to 1. See one more, that is the seventh one. F of x is equals to 1 by x plus mod x. Now so this is something different. So here the numerator is a constant, one is constant, therefore it is defined for all values, so no issue with the numerator. Then the problem with the denominator. So the denominator is never be 0, means ఇక్కడ ఏది ఉన్నా కానీ దాన్ని నాట్ ఈక్వల్ 0 రాసేసేయండి. means it is x plus modulus of x is not equals to 0, right? That means x is not equals to minus of mod x. Okay, now x is not equals to minus of mod x. So think on this, or you can think on this. X plus mod x ఎప్పుడు 0 అవుతుంది, ఆ 0 వాటిని మాత్రం ఎక్స్క్లూడ్ చేయాలి. If it is a negative number, పాజిటివ్ నెంబర్ అయినప్పుడు 0 ఛాన్స్ లేదు, సో 0 to infinity there is no problem. If it is a negative number, is there any issue? For example x equal to -1 తీసుకున్నాం, x equal to -1 తీసుకున్నట్లయితే అండ్ modulus of -1 plus 1 అవుతుంది, సో 0 ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. ఆర్ సిమిలర్లీ -0.1 తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, దిస్ ఈజ్ -0.1 అలానే ఉంటుంది, దెన్ mod x ఈజ్ +0.1 అవుతుంది, సో దిస్ జీరో ఛాన్స్. సో అంటే నెగిటివ్ నెంబర్స్కి ఇది వ్యాలిడ్ కాదు. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ జీరో వెన్ ఎవర్ ఎక్స్ ఈస్ ఎ నెగిటివ్ రియల్ నెంబర్. సో దట్ సో యూ నీడ్ టు గివ్ ద ఇన్పుట్ వాల్యూస్ ఫర్ దిస్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ యాజ్ ఓన్లీ పాజిటివ్ రియల్ నంబర్స్. The domain of this function that is positive real numbers, that is 0 to infinity. So 0 to infinity is no problem. Not from 0, it is after 0, means it is 0.0001, or simply we can express this as r plus also, no problem. So why this means, this is the reason. If you take any negative value, then the denominator value is 0. Therefore the domain of this f of x is 0 to infinity. Now the problem number 2 from Roman 2. So prove that the real valued function f of x is x by e to the power of x minus 1 plus x by 2 plus 1 is an even function on or except 0. సో ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పేస్తున్నాడు ఈవెన్ ఫంక్షన్ అవుతుందని ప్రూవ్ చేస్తున్నాడు. సో ఒకటి మనకు తెలియాల్సినది, సో దిస్ ఇస్ అ గివెన్ ఫంక్షన్, బట్ యూ నీడ్ టు నో ద డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఈవెన్ ఫంక్షన్. సో ఈవెన్ ఫంక్షన్, ఆడ్ ఫంక్షన్ డెఫినేషన్ నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. f of minus x is equals to f of x, we say that it is an even function. So to show this f of x is an even function, what we have to show? F of minus x is equals to f of x. So let us consider f of minus x. f of minus x అంటే x ప్లస్ లో మైనస్ ఎక్స్ రాసేయండి సరిపోతుంది. Now by replacing x as minus x, that is minus x divided by e to the power of minus x minus 1 plus minus x by 2 plus 1 is a constant. Now so simplify this to get f of x form. అంటే మళ్ళీ ఈ ఫార్ములా వచ్చే విధంగా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేసేసాను, సింప్లిఫై చేయండి. సో ఆల్రెడీ ఈవెన్ ఫంక్షన్ అవుతుంది అంటే కంపల్సరీ f of xకి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుందని దాని మీనింగ్. Now so simplify this. So this is minus x divided by, so e power minus x can be written as 1 by e to the power of x minus 1. Now so it is minus x by 2 plus 1, right? Now so this is minus x by 1 minus e to the power of x whole divided by e to the power of x minus x by 2 plus 1, right? Now so we can express it as minus x into e to the power of x by, and 1 minus e power x can be written as minus of e power x minus 1, minus common this angle, minus x by 2 plus 1. Now so this minus and minus will get cancelled, right? Now so finally this is x into e to the power of x by e power x minus 1 వచ్చేసింది, minus x by 2 plus 1. So this is not equals to f of x, right? So and there is a chance to simplify this. Now here e power x by e power x minus 1 is there. Now you need to convert this as x by e power x minus 1. And so you need to remove this e power x in the numerator. So here what you have to do is, so this is x by here e power x. Here I am adding and subtract with the minus 1, that is minus 1 plus 1 rasanam, divided by e power x minus 1 minus x by 2 plus 1. This is as it is. So only for e power x condition plus 1 minus 1 addition, add and subtract with 1. Therefore this is, if we cancel this as it is, it will be. Now so here you can simplify this as x into e to the power of x minus 1 multiplication x into this e power x minus 1 is this one, plus x into 1 is x divided by e power x minus 1 minus x by 2 plus 1. Now so this is a plus b by c model, so that a by c plus b by c, right? So x into e power x minus 1 by e power x minus 1 means only x, and cancel out. Next plus x by this is x divided by e to the power of x minus 1 is as it is, minus x by 2 plus 1. Now so x by e power x minus 1 వచ్చేసి మనకి ఇంకా కావాల్సిన ఓన్లీ x 1 ఉంది, x by 2 ఒకటి రావాలి. సో కంబైన్ దీస్ టూ, this is as it is x by e to the power of x minus 1 plus x minus x by 2, it is x by 2. అంతేనా? 1 minus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2, right? Or you can simplify x minus x by 2, that is 2x minus x by 2, so which is x by 2 plus 1. Now, so observe the given f of x, it is x by e power x minus 1 plus x by 2 plus 1. As it is f of x. Now, f of minus x equal to f of x వచ్చేసింది. Therefore, our f is an even function. Hence, proved. Third problem, find the domain and range. Domain and range of the following functions. So the first function is f of x equals to tan of pi into step x by 1 plus sin of pi into step x plus step of x square. Okay, now so it is like a rational function f by g model. So f ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, బట్ ఆ జీకి చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి కండిషన్. సో g ఈజ్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0, డినామినేటర్ 0 కాకుండా ఉండాలి. సో ఆల్రెడీ a constant is there now. So then the sum of these two things is never be -1. సో ఈ రెండు -1 కాకుండా చూసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. ఇది ఎప్పుడు 0 అవుతుంది? 1 and this entire thing is -1, అంతే కదా. సో హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 1 ప్లస్ సైన్ ఆఫ్ పై ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 కావాలి. నా ఇది ఎప్పుడు 0 అవుతుందో చూసుకోండి. సారీ, దిస్ ఈజ్ స్టెప్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్. Okay, and so this is this entire value is 0 when x is 0 only. Okay, so negative అయ్యే ఛాన్సే లేదు ఇక్కడ. Okay, since sin of pi x is anything, then multiples of n pi or integral multiples of sin pi are always zeros, and x square is there. Negative value వచ్చినప్పుడు x square ఉంది కాబట్టి పాజిటివ్ అవుతుంది. So therefore this is valid for all this. So it is valid for all real numbers. And so what about the numerator? So the numerator is also defined for all real numbers. So real numbers and real numbers, intersection of these two numbers is again a real number set. Therefore the domain is all real numbers. Now, so think about a range. Range is what? Now, so here so the function that should be something complicated, right? So no worries about the complicated function. Now, so here so step x is there. So the input values are, so for example, x is any integer, therefore it is always integer. Box x is always integer, or step x is always integer. Either it is integer or any decimal. Now tan of integral multiples of pi, and here you need to remember one thing. Here tan of nx is always 0, where n is belongs to an integer. So here step x is always integer. So tan of integral multiples of pi is always 0, like sin of pi x. Okay, so therefore this is 0. A value is 0 వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. So the output value is only 0. The range is 0 for this given function. And next thing is a linear function, or see the third problem. Next second one చూద్దాం. So here f of x is equals to, so it is modulus of x plus modulus of 1 plus x. Modulus of x plus modulus of 1 plus x. So only numerator. So already we know the mod x is defined for all real numbers. So mod x is defined for all real numbers. This is also in the form of mod x. So it is also defined for all real numbers. Real numbers and real numbers. Again it is real numbers. This is defined for all real numbers. Now what about the range? And you know the definition of mod x. Mod x is always a positive quantity, or it is an absolute value. If we give any input, negative value or positive value, then the output is positive only. Already we know the domain of the range of mod x. Mod x range is 0 to infinity, right? But here the sum of two different modulus functions are there. So already we know this is output is 0 to infinity. Is it 0 to infinity avutunda? No. So here it is something different. This is only x. Here it is 1 plus x. And then x ki 1 add ayi. So already the basic rule is the basic domain for this is 0 to infinity. But ఇక్కడ extra అవుతుంది 1 తో add అవుతుంది, అంటే 0 వచ్చే ఛాన్సే లేదు. If we give the input as 0 for this function, now it is 0 and it is 1 plus 0. So finally అవుతుంది 0 plus 1. So that the minimum value of the output for this function is 1. And the next thing is any real number. So minimum value is 1 to start out and end with unknown value or positive value. So domain is or range is from 1 to infinity, from 1 to infinity. So the last problem for this exercise as well as entire chapter functions. Find the domain and range for this function. f of x is equal to x by 2 minus 3x. And so it is easy to find the domain of this function since the numerator is a polynomial and the denominator is a polynomial. So polynomial denominator is 0 కాకుండా ఉంటే సరిపోతుంది. So you can find the domain for this is with the restriction of denominator is not equal 0. ఎప్పుడు 0 అవుతుందో చెక్ చేసుకోండి. If it is 0, just you need to exclude from real number set. So 2 minus 3x is not equal 0. That implies 2 is not equal to 3x, right? Means divide and both with 3, therefore it is 2 by 3 is not equals to x. And x is 2 by 3 కాకూడదు. So therefore the domain of this function is, this is valid for all real numbers except 2 by 3. 2 by 3 ఎందుకు remove చేయాలి. If we give the input for this function as 2 by 3, therefore is 2 minus 3 into 2 by 3, that is 3 gets cancelled, 2 minus 2 left. So 2 minus 2 means a 0. Something by 0 is undefined, so that we cannot give the input for input as 2 by 3 for this function. Now next, how to find the range. So here so directly you cannot guess the range for this type of functions. ax plus b by cx plus d ఫామ్లో, ఈ ఫామ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు దానికి డైరెక్ట్గా గెస్ చేసే ఛాన్స్ ఉండదు. Now see how to evaluate the domain for this type of functions. And we know the definition of inverse function and a function, right? So here f is a function from a to b. అక్కడ దీనికి ఇన్వర్స్ అనేది ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయితే ఏమవుతున్నాం, f ఇన్వర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ b to a అంటున్నాం. ఇన్వర్స్ అనేది ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయితే మీన్స్, సో హియర్ ద డొమైన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్. ఓకేనా, మనకు కావాల్సింది గివెన్ ఫంక్షన్ యొక్క రేంజ్ కావాలి, అంటే ఎఫ్ ఇన్వర్స్ యొక్క డొమైనే కదా. దీస్ ఆర్ ద థింగ్స్ విల్ బి సేమ్. ఓకే, సో టు ఫైండ్ ద రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫ్, సో simply you can find the domain of f inverse if it is easy to evaluate. If you know the inverse of f, now directly the domain of this f inverse is the range of f. ఎందుకు f inverse ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది కంపల్సరీ b to a అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ రేంజ్ అవుతుంది, డొమైన్ అయిపోతుంది ఈ ఫంక్షన్. f is a function from a to b, then f inverse is also a function from b to a, వేరే వాల్యూస్ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉండదు. సో ట్రై టు ఫైండ్ ద ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఫంక్షన్. దానికి ఇన్వర్స్ అనుకొని దాని డొమైనే ఎఫ్కి రేంజ్ అవుతుంది. నా సో ట్రై టు ఫైండ్ ద ఇన్వర్స్, అండ్ యూ నో హౌ టు ఫైండ్ ద ఇన్వర్స్. నా ఇన్వర్స్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది, ఎఫ్ కాంపోజ్ ఎఫ్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ కంపల్సరీ ఏం కావాలా, composition is always an identity, means it is x. This implies f of f inverse of x is x. Okay, now it is in the form of f of x. What is our f of x? X by 2 minus 3x. So replace x with f inverse x. So this is f inverse of x divided by 2 minus 3 into f inverse of x is x. Now so simplify to get f inverse of x. So this is f inverse of x is equals to x into 2 minus 3 into f inverse of x. Now this is our f inverse of x, and it is x into 2x minus 3x into f inverse of x. Now say separate this f inverse x, transposition. So we get f inverse of x. So here it is 1 and the transposition plus 3x open, which is equals to 2x. Now so here f inverse x is from this f inverse of x, that can be written as 2x divided by this part, 2x by 1 plus 3x. Now so we need the range of this function, right? So దీని రేంజ్ అనుకోవడం ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది, ఏం చేస్తున్నాను, f inverse యొక్క డొమైన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాను. So therefore the domain of this is, దీని యొక్క డొమైన్ అవుతుంది ఎక్కడ డిఫైన్ కాదు ఈ వాల్యూ దగ్గర, అంటే 1 plus 3x అనేది నాట్ ఈక్వల్ 0 కావాలి. 1 plus 3x is not equal 0 when x is minus 1 by 3, right? X is minus 1 by 3, so that all real numbers except minus 1 by 3 is the domain of this function. But what we have to find, we need to find the range of f, the range of this f. range of f is always equals to the domain of f inverse. What is the domain of f inverse? That is r except minus 1 by 3. So this is the range, and the domain of the given function is this one. R except 2 by 3 is the domain of f of x, and R except minus 1 by 3 is the range of the function. So with this problem we can conclude our chapter functions. Thank you.